वेलकम टू बेस्ट क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाउ टू मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ दिस. So this is parsley. The main ingredients of parsley I have to use, and this is our mince, that is meat mince, and this is beef mince. So what I have taken few parsley from our garden. Then I will tell you what I am going to make, but first of all we will do this base. So this is the base. So we will add half cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. You can use whole also. Then we need some lime juice, seeds you can discard it. Then we need 1 egg, salt to taste, then some paprika, that is around 1 teaspoon. Then we will add some cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. So this is the flavor. Then we need something more, and so we need some chilies, green chilies, around 2-3 green chilies, some parmesan cheese, which I am going to grate along with this. That's it. Okay, and I will add this parsley now, so that all go together. And we'll grate this, or you can mince it on the mixer. Here it is done. Now we'll mix this on. And now 1 egg. And let's mix this all together. Okay, so this is our base and it's done. Our base is done. Check the salt. So now let's make some meatball out of this. So just take how big, how small meatballs. I've already have another recipe, just check, and these are meatballs. So like this only you make how many meatballs you want. Keep it, store it. Whenever you want to make curry of meatball, you can make that also. So here is our meatballs ready, just to go in the gravy. Let's fry this our meatballs. Okay, meatballs you can either fry, or you can steam, or you can bake, or you can just cook it in little bit of water, whichever, or directly in the gravy. I'm frying this. Okay, the oil is hot and we will just fry this shallow fry. And then you can store it and keep it, and whenever you want to make anything out of this, just make it. Flip flop it slowly. Because we want to fry it on the sides. Okay, so that it doesn't break. But the shape is also there. And here it is ready, and put off the gas, and it's done. Thank you.